And my purpose in creating these videos is to help people like you step up to the next best version of yourself. Now, in this video, we look at an aspect of personality type, specifically a NLP meta program known as attention direction. Now, meta programs are perceptual filters that generally operate out of conscious awareness. They filter perception, determine your preferences and how you think, feel, and act. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, is your attention on self or other? Now, those with a self meta program will need to take care of their own needs and wants first, while those with an other meta program will put others' needs and wants before their own. So those people with a strong value on helping others may find that by putting themselves second, that their own business, personal life, and health may suffer. Now, to achieve success at the highest level, we need to strike a balance between taking care of others and taking care of self. Now, most people would be familiar with the safety message given by the airline crew just after takeoff. If the cabin should lose pressure, an oxygen mask may drop from the ceiling. If you are traveling with a child, what do they tell you to do? They tell you to put it on yourself first. But what would be your inclination? Would you put it on yourself first or on the child? How you answer that question will determine if you are self or other in that context. Now, some people need to learn that to be a good parent, that they need to take care of their own needs and wants first, to keep their body in good health, such that they can then best take care of their family. Now, some people over-respond to the child's needs and wants. They don't take care of themselves, and the result is a dysfunctional family. So, how well do you manage yourself or others? Do you know what you need to do? Do you know what someone else needs to do? At least one airline has used knowledge and meta programs to recruit airline crew. All the job applicants are invited to a group interview. In turn, each applicant is invited to the front of the room to introduce themselves. The applicants think they are being assessed on their presentation skills, but in fact, the interviewers are watching the audience. Those people with a self-meta program may sit back in their chair, while those with another meta program may lean forwards and show signs of engaging with the presenter. Those applicants who consistently lean forwards to each of the presenters has a stronger chance of being hired. So next time you fly in a plane, just watch how consistently the aircrew serve each of the passengers. Those people with the self-meta program will constantly shift the topic of conversation back onto themselves or onto a topic that interests them. Well, that is enough of talking about me. Now, what do you think of me? But this attention on self may have a negative side effect and result in self-consciousness. Those people who feel anxious about speaking in public are more likely to have a self-meta program, well, at least in the context of public speaking. The focus is on how they look, how they sound, how they feel, and what others think of them. To be a great presenter, a great performer in any context, whether that be in delivering a speech to shareholders in a boardroom, performing on stage, or making love. The attention needs to be on the other person and on how they respond to your delivery. So would you say that you are more self-oriented or other-oriented, and in which context?